Hello, my name is Gabriel.
Hi, my name is Luis.
We are explained to the process of the brewing.
The process of the brewing. Introduction. We are going to explain the process of the beer. Producing beer is complex process based on wide variety of scientific disciplines and technology. For example, chemistry, engineering, industrial, mechanical, electronic, etc.
The process description. First, the barley is waiting on arrival on the waves and the subject at quality controls. It is dried, screened, and into put heat on container. Cannot describe bills were in the tips were in water for approximately 24 hours. It will be done mash.
After that, the fermentation period, the green malt is applied to the kilns. Where it is dried by hot air, the mash is granular heated to 78 centigrade. During this process, the enzymes formed during malting convert the malt into malt sugar.
Then, of the brewing process, the boiling hot water is transferred to a cold whirlpool, where the hops is already removed.
Later, the mix is piped to the ginseng tanks, where fermentation and the subsequent maturing process take place in the same tanks.
After the fermentation, the beer is matured in the tanks, developing the dessert taste, aroma, and shelf life.
Next, the manufacturing stage. The beer is piped to filtration rooms where it freeze passes through beer centrifuges which separate most of the turbidite and gas. The beer is then subjected to a very strong filtration, making it sparkling, clear, and ready for putting.
Finally, the bubbles are filled with beer. Filling takes place to contain pressure to prevent foaming. The bubbles they pass down the corn machine with the seal team. Conclusion. The brewing is a process interesting. It is the responsible of the beer taste. The process have different stages. This stage have a hub for engineer different. For example, an engineer electronic performs a temperature control. A food engineer performs a QM control of the barley. The mechanical engineer performs the analysis on tanks and the contains for the different stages of the process.
The brewing is surprising. When we begin consuming a beer, remember this process.